Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Facebook posts unshareable. Here are the steps to make Facebook posts unshareable on your mobile device without using the audience and visibility settings menu by adjusting post privacy directly during posting. First is to unlock your mobile phone. Then open the Facebook app by tapping the blue F icon to launch it. Then tap What's on Your Mind to create a post. This opens the post composer. Write your post as usual. Add text, photos, or links as you normally would. Tap the privacy button below your name. This is usually set to friends, public, or another privacy level. Select Friends Accept. This option allows you to hide the post from specific people. Optional. Choose specific friends for maximum privacy. Choosing this will make the post visible only to selected friends and remove the share option for others. Avoid selecting public or friends of friends. These options make the post shareable, so make sure they are not selected. Tap Done. This saves your chosen privacy setting for the current post. Post normally. Tap Post to publish with the restricted sharing settings. Check your post. Confirm that the share button is missing for people who can see the post. Repeat these steps for each new post. For old posts, manually edit privacy by going to any existing post, by tapping the three dots. Choose Edit Privacy and set it to Friends Accept or Specific Friends. Then hit Save to remove the share option. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.